Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow. The English is simple and clear for beginners. Tonight, Ethan has a long day at work. His hoodie has a coffee stain. His apartment laundry room is broken again. So now, late at night, he must go to a small laundromat in the rain. But something unexpected happens there. While you listen, here is today's question. What food did Maya talk about? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when the story ends, you can write your answer in the comments. Writing in English helps you remember new words better. Now, let's begin.
Long day?
Yeah, really long day.
You look tired.
I am tired.
Laundry night?
Yep, laundry night again.
That's rough.
Tell me about it.
Wait, what happened to your hoodie?
Coffee.
Oh no.
I spilled coffee all over it this morning.
During work?
During a meeting.
That's even worse.
Yeah, everyone saw it.
Ouch.
I tried to clean it in the office bathroom.
Did it help?
Not really. Now it just smells like coffee and soap.
Honestly, that's kind of impressive.
Thanks, I guess.
Bad day at work?
Busy all week. Too many meetings, too many emails.
Yeah, same here.
And my building laundry is broken again.
Again?
Third time this month.
Wow.
So now I'm here at, what is it?
Almost 10 at night.
Exactly.
Honestly, late night laundromats are weirdly relaxing.
Really?
Kinda. Quiet, warm, no emails.
That actually sounds nice right now.
See? Maybe laundry night won't be terrible.
We'll see.
At least you made it before the rain got worse.
Barely.
You walked here?
2 blocks in the rain with this bag.
That bag looks heavy too.
It is. I think half my apartment is inside it.
Laundry night is the worst.
Yeah, but this is the first funny thing that happened today.
The hoodie?
No, talking about my terrible day with a stranger.
Hey, laundromat rules.
Is that a real thing?
Absolutely.
Good to know. Wow, every machine is full.
Friday night happens all the time.
I thought coming late would help.
Usually it does.
Usually?
Not when it rains.
Right, everyone suddenly needs clean clothes tonight.
Pretty much.
Is that one free?
No, I think someone's still using it.
What about that one?
Oh, wait, I think that one's open.
The one near the wall?
Yeah, the guy just left.
Nice.
You better grab it fast.
Good point.
Need help with the bag?
I got it. Oh no.
Your basket opened.
Seriously?
Your socks are escaping.
This day keeps getting better.
Here, I got this side.
Thanks.
No problem.
Why do laundry baskets always break at the worst time?
Same reason umbrellas break in heavy rain.
That actually makes sense.
You're lucky nothing hit the floor.
Honestly, I'm too tired to care anymore.
Busy week?
Yeah, pretty busy.
What do you do?
Office work, mostly emails and meetings.
Sounds exhausting.
It is. What about you?
Physical therapy assistant.
Oh wow, long hours?
Very long hours.
So this is your Friday night too?
Yep. Gym, laundry, sleep.
Very exciting life.
I know. Try not to get jealous.
Too late.
You separating colors?
I should, but I don't have the energy tonight.
Living dangerously.
If everything turns pink, that's tomorrow Ethan's problem.
Future Ethan sounds stressed already.
Future Ethan is always stressed.
Fair.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
You got soap?
Yep.
Then you're good.
Nice. One problem solved tonight.
Don't say that too early.
That sounds worrying.
You haven't met the dryers yet.
Okay, this makes no sense.
What happened?
I only have one gym sock.
Just one?
Yeah,
The dryer eats socks.
that always happens to me.
Same here.
I bought 6 pairs last month.
And now?
I think I have 3.5 left.
3.5.
One doesn't match anything anymore.
Honestly, I stopped caring years ago.
You wear different socks?
Sometimes. Life is hard enough already.
Fair point.
What color was the missing sock?
Black.
That's impossible to find.
Exactly. Everything I own is black.
Very office worker of you.
Hey, black clothes are easy.
Until laundry night,
True.
I used to buy colorful socks.
What happened?
Lost too many of them.
So now,
Black socks only.
you became part of the system.
I gave up fighting.
Respect.
You know what's worse, though?
What?
Forgetting clothes in the dryer overnight.
Oh no, I did that once.
Only once?
Okay, maybe twice.
I left mine for 2 days once.
No way.
I was so tired after work, I completely forgot.
Did someone move them?
Yep, nicely folded, too.
That's actually kind.
I know. Laundry people are either super nice or super scary.
There's no middle.
Exactly.
Honestly, this place is calmer than I expected.
Late nights are usually like this.
I thought laundromats were louder.
During the day, absolutely.
Good thing I came tonight then.
See, your terrible day is improving already.
Slowly, very slowly.
Progress is progress.
You sound like my gym trainer.
Maybe I am your gym trainer.
That would explain the scary energy.
Wow, rude.
Sorry, long day.
I know, you said that like 5 times already.
Because it was a really long day.
Fair enough.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
I think this dryer stopped.
Which one?
Number 12.
Let me see.
It was working a minute ago.
Happens all the time.
Really?
Yeah, these machines are old.
I thought I broke it somehow.
Nah, you're good.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
I don't really use laundromats much.
Lucky you.
My apartment laundry is broken again.
That explains it.
Is something wrong with the dryer?
Hold on.
Okay.
Huh.
That sounds bad.
No. Easy fix.
Oh, thank God.
The door wasn't fully closed.
Seriously?
Yep.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
Happens every night.
I was already preparing for a disaster.
Laundry machines love drama.
Apparently.
Try it now.
Okay. Oh, it's working again.
See?
I honestly feel stupid right now.
Don't. Everyone does that once.
Only once?
Okay, more than once.
That makes me feel better.
You'd be surprised how many people panic in here.
I almost became one of them.
Almost?
Give me another 10 minutes.
Fair enough.
How long should this take?
About 40 minutes.
40?
Big load.
Right.
At least your hoodie should survive.
Honestly, I'm worried about that thing.
Coffee stain?
That obvious?
You're not the first person with a rough workday.
Good to know.
You want my advice?
Sure.
Don't check the dryer every 2 minutes.
Was I doing that?
A little.
Yeah, maybe I need to relax.
That's what laundry time is for.
Hey, your dryer survived.
Barely.
At least your clothes are dry now.
True.
Hoodie looks better too.
Yeah, the coffee stain is smaller now.
Nice.
I'll call that a win,
Small victories matter.
especially this week.
Still tired?
Very, but less stressed now.
See? I told you late night laundromats are weirdly relaxing.
You were right.
I know.
This place is really quiet tonight.
That's my favorite part.
No traffic, no meetings, no phone calls.
Just dryer sounds and tired people.
Weirdly comforting.
Exactly.
I never thought laundry could feel peaceful.
Life surprises you sometimes.
Apparently.
Careful, that shirt almost fell.
Oh, thanks.
You fold clothes like you're half asleep.
That's because I am half asleep.
Fair point.
Do you always come here this late?
Usually after gym nights.
That sounds exhausting.
It is, but I like having one quiet hour before going home.
I get that.
Most days feel so loud now.
Seriously, everyone wants something all the time.
Exactly.
Tonight feels slower somehow.
Rainy nights help.
Yeah. You know what sounds good right now?
What?
Hot tomato soup and grilled cheese.
Okay, now I'm hungry.
Same.
I haven't eaten dinner yet.
Seriously?
Busy day. I forgot.
That explains your mood earlier.
Probably.
You need food and sleep.
Honestly, yeah.
Tomato soup fixes everything.
That feels medically incorrect.
Emotionally correct, though.
Fair enough.
You cook?
Not really.
Then grilled cheese is perfect.
Because it's easy?
Because it's impossible to ruin.
You clearly don't know my cooking skills.
That bad?
I burned instant noodles once.
That's honestly impressive.
Thank you. It's my special talent.
You know what?
What?
This night turned out better than expected.
Yeah, it actually did. Well, laundry night is officially over.
We survived.
Barely.
Honestly, the night started terribly.
Very true.
First, I spilled coffee on my hoodie.
During a meeting.
Please don't remind me.
Sorry, that part was kind of funny though.
Easy for you to say.
Then your laundry basket exploded.
In front of everyone.
Your socks tried to escape.
Honestly, they almost made it.
After that, you lost another sock somehow.
The dryer eats socks.
See? You learned something tonight.
Important life lessons.
And then the dryer stopped working.
Don't remind me of that either.
You looked so stressed.
I thought I broke the machine.
But Rick saved the day.
By closing the door properly.
Tiny detail.
Very important detail, apparently.
Happens all the time.
That freeze honestly made me feel better tonight.
Because it's true. Everyone has weird laundry problems.
Good to know I'm normal.
Mostly normal.
Wow, harsh.
I'm kidding.
You know, this night was better than I expected.
Same here.
I thought I was just doing laundry.
And instead?
I got life advice about socks and tomato soup.
That's premium laundromat service.
Apparently.
You still hungry?
Extremely.
Go home. Eat something warm.
Tomato soup?
Obviously.
And grilled cheese?
Now you're learning.
Honestly, that sounds perfect right now.
Rainy nights need comfort food.
Agreed.
At least your hoodie survived.
Barely survived, like me.
You're dramatic.
Long day.
You said that like 10 times tonight.
Because it was a very long day.
Fair enough.
But not a bad night, though.
Nope, not bad at all.
Guess laundry night isn't always the worst.
See? I told you.
You were right, again. And hey, thanks for the company tonight.
Anytime.
See you around?
Probably. Laundry never ends.
That's the most depressing thing I heard all day.
And somehow also comforting.
Yeah, somehow.
And that was tonight's story from English Listening Stories. At first, Ethan felt tired, stressed, and frustrated after a very long day. But little by little, the night became calmer. A simple conversation, warm small talk, and a quiet laundromat helped him relax. Sometimes, even boring nights can become good memories. And you did a great job listening in English today. Step by step, your listening is getting stronger. Small progress is still progress. Now let's go back to today's listening question. What food did Maya talk about? If you remember the answer, write it in the comments. Even one short sentence helps you practice English and remember the story longer. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow and comfortable English conversations. If you want to support the channel and help us create more cozy stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us tonight. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you again in the next story.